Hello everyone. Want to change the default keyboard on a Samsung phone? Here's how to do that. So first of all, you're to open up your Google Play Store and we're to install a desired keyboard. I'm gonna go with Gboard because it's very smooth, sleek, and comfortable. So let's search for Gboard. There we are. Simply press install and give it some time to be installed. Great. After our Gboard is installed, or basically another keyboard, you are to open up your settings. Now let's scroll down to our General Management tab. Then you gotta tap on the keyboard list and default. And you gotta activate a new keyboard, so simply tap on the switch near it. Now make sure to press OK. After that, simply press on the default keyboard at the top, and here choose your Gboard or another keyboard which you chose. So let's try it out. Let's open our notes, or basically any app which uses a keyboard to summon it. And now, as you see, we have a Gboard. If you wanted to go back to your classic Samsung keyboard, the process is pretty much the same. So open up your settings, tap on the default keyboard, choose your Samsung keyboard. Let's go back to our notes. And as you see now, we have a Samsung keyboard. Well, basically, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.